In this video, we are going to fix 0x80070bc2 update error in Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to do a SFC scan. So by that, here at the search box, please type for CMD. I've typed it. You need to wait until you can see a best match here in this window. And once you have seen the command prompt, you need to navigate here at the right side and wait until you can see this option called Run as Administrator. Now click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here at the command prompt. Once you have pasted, click on the enter key in your keyboard to start the process. Wait until this process would be finished. It will take 5 minutes or more than that. It would depend on the machine. Please wait until it would be finished. And once you have done with the SFC scan, proceed on copying and pasting the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Copy and paste it to the command prompt, and once you have completed all of the steps, you need to close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, okay, you need to navigate to the next solution, and that is here at the start. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Now at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option called System and click on it. And from here at the system, you need to scroll down and locate for troubleshoot. Afterwards, click on other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, find for Windows Update and run the troubleshooter corresponding to it. Wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to diagnose the problem. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have done it, you need to close the window and then check if the problem has been resolved. So by that, you need to update your Windows manually. So open your Google Chrome browser, then type for Microsoft Update Catalog at the search bar and click on the Enter key. Once you have typed it, you'll see this Microsoft Update Catalog. Make sure that you have opened the official website, which is Microsoft.com. Okay, from that, you'll see a search bar here in this window. Please type for the code. Usually, Windows Update goes with KBs. Okay, once you have searched it, click on the search button here, and from that you'd be able to be navigated in this one. Find the relevant one and then click on download. Okay, make sure that you have identified according to your operating systems. Okay, so click on download here, wait until it will be finished, and once you have done it, you're good to go. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.